What's up, y'all? It's your girl Renee, and I want to talk a little bit about our bulk Cambodian deep wavy hair. This is how it looks when it comes to you. The reason why it says bulk is because it's cut off of the track, so you don't have to worry about your braider cutting it off the track. And then some people turn this into wefts, some people use it for braids. They're all, eye tips, there are all types of things you can use bulk hair for. But when you're talking raw hair, normally you can just use this for your braids. That's what people are doing these days. So currently, I'm gonna bring all the hair to the front. Currently, I have butt length knotless braids with 2 bundles for extra fullness of our 22-inch Cambodian bulk braid hair. This is how it looks. I've had this in for about 3 weeks. I really like it. In the mornings, I really just wet my hair with a spray bottle, kind of like this. I just wet it a little bit to get the flyaways away, and then I put a little bit of conditioner in my hand, kind of rub it through, and then I let it go. If I want a more defined look, I would take a little bit of Eco Styler gel or some type of curl pudding to put on the curls to make it last all day. But I kind of like the wild look. This is how it looks after being air dried for 4 or 5 hours. So I'll let y'all see the ends. To me, 2 bundles is plenty of hair. I've done it with 3 bundles before, and the 3 bundles is fine, okay? It's real cute, actually. It's very full, like a sew-in. But it's too much hair if I'm dealing with braids. You know, it's limited on what you can do. So I prefer the 2 bundles or 1 bundle. If I want low maintenance, I'm going with 1 bundle of the bulk Cambodian hair. And I'm just going to get her to put smaller pieces throughout so it can still be evenly dispersed throughout the braids. Also, this is a size medium braids. I like medium because the last time I got small, it took me like 8 hours to take them out, and I ain't got time for that. But yeah, so the 2 bundles is plenty of hair. I mean, you really could get away with 1 bundle. To me, I feel like if I'm getting braids, I really want low maintenance. I want something that I don't have to worry about. And I've done 1 bundle at least 3 different times over the last 2 years, and those have been my favorite braids because it's just lower maintenance. So let me know if y'all have any questions or concerns about our Cambodian bulk hair. Like I said, this hair is limitless. It can be turned into wefts, eye tips, tape-ins. I've seen all kinds of things happen most of the time when you have virgin hair and they're cutting it off of someone's ponytail. It's like a ponytail and then hair coming down, and then they're just wefting it and creating that style that we're looking for sew-ins or whatever typically. But my vendor allows me to do, just take the ponytail hair and put it in my braids or whatever I want to do. So it's been really beneficial to have these braids. I don't usually wear my braids in long, especially if I don't have the hair, because I feel like when my hair starts growing out and it's just braids, you can really see it. Let me know if this was helpful, and if y'all have any questions or comments, please comment below. Have you ever worn boho knotless braids? These have been called certain things like boho, messy, bohemian, all kinds of different names they're putting, but basically it's just knotless braids with hair added into each braid. So different braiders call it different things. Questions, comment below. Bye.